guys, I'm Travis with ChordBuddy, and man, oh man, have we got some good news for you. All of this stuff we're going to give away. Let me briefly tell you about it. We're giving away a complete ChordBuddy system that comes with the 2-month lesson plan, teaches you how to play it from putting it on your guitar to taking it off. It also comes with this songbook. Every one of these songs are in it. They're all color-coded. All you have to do is follow along. It comes with videos of me teaching you every step of the way. And obviously it comes with the ChordBuddy. Okay, so we're also giving away a UkeBuddy system. And it's the ChordBuddy system for the ukulele. Same thing, comes with campfire songs, with videos. It also comes with a full colored songbook, just like the ChordBuddy songbook, all color coded. Also, we're having a giveaway for one of my digital guitar tuners. What's different about mine? This tuner will actually warn you if you're going to break a string. Believe it or not, most beginners break strings not from strumming too hard, but from getting above the pitch. They don't realize they're above the pitch. They keep turning and it pops the string. The screen on this will turn red and tell you to stop. It literally says stop, back up to green, and then keep playing. This is an amazing product. Won a lot of awards. Next, we're going to give away, this is actually one of those tuners on the ukulele. We're going to give away the ukulele combo. So this will come with a UkeBuddy, a ukulele, campfire songbook, legitimate songbook with all of these songs in it, just like on the ChordBuddy, and the tuner. So everything you need. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. So we'll be giving this particular one away on Mother's Day. And I'm actually going to be doing a love song for your mother on Mother's Day. And in fact, my mother was the first one that played a ChordBuddy when it came off the assembly line in 2010. So she was in her hospital bed, and I took her a ChordBuddy, and she sat there and played Amazing Grace. What a wonderful memory that is. Also, the big finale will be a complete guitar combo, which will come with a guitar. Either this is called a Sunburst, or we have the natural one like behind me here. Comes with a ChordBuddy, songbook, lesson book, guitar picks, tuner, everything, videos, all the videos of me teaching you how to play. So when you start playing this, I was standing by my window on a cold and cloudy day. You start with ChordBuddy, then the magic happens and you start removing each tab. So at the end of 2 months, you've removed all of these. You're playing on your own. You don't need ChordBuddy anymore. You haven't got frustrated. 70% quit within the first 60 days because they get frustrated. Learning the guitar looks easy, guys, but it's truly not. It's very cumbersome. It's like patting your head and rubbing your stomach, you know, that thing. So people get frustrated. With ChordBuddy, they don't. Our success rate is 93%. Do not quit. Go on to play guitar. They may move on to play piano. This is the start of a wonderful journey. And ChordBuddy is happy to give away all of these products in the upcoming weeks and months. Thank you.